Now here is how you can search with an image on your phone. I'm going to start with the iPhone, but show you exactly how it works on others. But this is how it works. Subscribe if you're new and we can get started. So the best way to search by image is to get the official Google app on your device, right? So it's not just the Google Chrome or, some different ones, because there are plenty of them, but I just mean that this one with the G icon, right? So you can get inside and browse some different things and so on, right? But inside of the Google app, I want you to click on the lens, right? So we initiated the Google Lens like this, right? And now once we get to the Google Lens, you can tap on the shutter button to capture a picture in real time and look for it this way, or click on the gallery icon below and choose any image from your gallery. So it might be screenshot, it might be a regular photo, right? And using this, you have the ability to look up objects, part of that photo, and look them up on the internet. So as you can see, this is an iPhone which I'm holding in my hand. You can even adjust the selection to make sure that all of it is like being searched. And right now it's going to show you exactly what it is, right? And you can see this is an iPhone 14 Pro in the space black, which is this one. It was not really in the space black, but in the purple, so it mostly works fine. But yeah, that's how you can find it. And if you want to see or look images based on that images, then you can tap on the visual matches and see the pictures which look similar to what I have in here. So that's how you can look it up, and this is how you can search with images on your device. Right, so that's how it works. Of course, the same stuff can be said for Android devices. Like if I move in here with my Samsung phone, I can do the very same thing, just get inside of the Google app on my device and perform the very same thing. I just tap on the Google Lens and do literally the same thing. So if I look up let's say this microphone image, it's gonna basically find it in here. So that is the mic, exactly the one which I'm using. And as well, I can go to the visual matches like this and find it on the internet. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching. For more tips and videos like this one, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.